I hunt all wild birds in South Dakota, so we do a lot of walking through grasslands, crop fields, and I have a dog, yellow lab, that hunts closely in front of me, and then he finds birds, and as he gets them to flush, then I determine whether it's a hen or a rooster. You cannot shoot hens, you can only shoot the roosters, the males. About 3 years ago, I shot a hen pheasant for the first time in almost 40 years, which the hen are gray and kind of ugly, and the roosters, the male, are real bright colored, and I couldn't distinguish the color difference. Hello, my name's Gary Vaughn from Rushville, Illinois. I have had refractive lens exchange at Brinton Vision in St. Louis, Missouri. I went pheasant hunting in South Dakota like 3 weeks after I had my left eye done, and there's a difference of night and day of what I could see color-wise. It was unbelievable how quickly I could tell the difference in the hens and roosters. I'm not a big doctor fan at all, but I have really been impressed with everything they have done. The facility, everything here is really amazing. The staff has been first rate. Everybody's been real honest and straightforward, and everybody seems to have a great attitude. They all seem to be happy, and that's important to me. So the vision, the brightness, the color recognition was immediately noticeable. The very first day I went, I could tell the difference. Same thing with the night vision. I was pointing out deer to Debbie as we was driving, you know, almost trying to challenge her to see who saw it first. So it was immediate. Well, I can tell you that I have no regrets. I haven't had a pair of glasses on. I've had cheaters on twice since I had this done. I work on the computer a lot at work and sit there and read it all day long, and I don't even have a pair of cheaters at work. It's really unbelievable. I'm 60, and I hope to live to be as old as my folks, which are pushing 90, and I want to be able to see like this for quite some time, and I really appreciate what they've done for me.